There's a place in Himachal Pradesh where silence flows with the river, pine forests whisper secrets, and time seems to have paused centuries ago. A place untouched by commercial tourism, where mountains rise quietly, and villages live in harmony with the rhythms of nature. Welcome to Pabbar Valley, one of India's last truly hidden mountain escapes. Far from the crowded lanes of Shimla and Manali, Pabbar Valley lies like a forgotten chapter of the Himalayas, rich in beauty, tradition, and wilderness. Here, every trail leads to peace, every stream sings its own melody, and every turn reveals a new view untouched by the modern world. Whether you're an adventurer, a slow traveler, or someone simply looking to disconnect from noise, Pabbar Valley offers more than just landscapes. It offers solitude, soulfulness, and stillness. Surrounded by apple orchards, dense deodar forests, glacial rivers, and quaint villages, Pabbar Valley is a hidden treasure far removed from the chaos of mainstream hill stations. Located in the Shimla district, the valley stretches from Hatkoti to Rohadu, following the course of the Pabbar River. Despite being just around 120 kilometers from Shimla, the valley remains uncrowded and blissfully serene, making it an ideal destination for nature lovers, offbeat travelers, and those seeking solitude in the lap of the mountains. The journey to Pabbar Valley is a scenic adventure in itself. As you drive through winding roads lined with cedar trees, the air grows cooler, and the smell of pine and apples fills the atmosphere. The road from Shimla to Rohadu offers views of terraced fields, remote hamlets, and lush valleys that gradually give way to dramatic mountain scenery. One of the most beautiful aspects of Pabbar Valley is its villages, such as Rohadu, Chirgaon, Pangi, Sandasu, and Dodra Kumar. These villages are known for their wooden houses with intricate carvings, local temples, and terraced apple orchards. People here still live a traditional lifestyle, and hospitality runs deep in their culture. For those who love adventure and outdoor activities, Pabbar Valley offers plenty of options. Trekking is the most popular adventure here. The Chanchal Pass Trek, which connects the valley to the Dodra Kuar region, is one of the best high-altitude treks in Himachal. It passes through alpine meadows, thick forests, and remote villages, with the majestic Chanchal Peak standing at 4,520 meters. The pass is accessible by road in summer, and offers panoramic views of snow-covered mountains. Another trekking route takes you from Pabbar Valley to Kinnaur, offering a challenging but visually rewarding journey through glacial streams, oak forests, and secluded campsites. If you're a fan of angling and fishing, the Pabbar River is known for trout fishing. The river is clean, cold, and teeming with brown and rainbow trout, making it a favorite among anglers. Permits are required, which can be obtained from local authorities. Camping is another great way to experience the valley. You can set up a tent near the river, in apple orchards, or in forest clearings. The clear night skies here are perfect for stargazing, especially during the summer months. Birdwatching and nature walks are equally rewarding. The region is home to Himalayan monals, pheasants, and a variety of high-altitude flora and fauna. In spring and early summer, the forests bloom with rhododendrons and wildflowers. Cultural tourism is another reason to visit Pabbar Valley. The temples of Hatkoti, especially the Hatkoti Temple Complex, are architecturally significant and believed to date back to the Gupta era. These temples are dedicated to Goddess Durga and are important pilgrimage spots for locals. Now let's talk about the weather and best time to visit. Pabbar Valley experiences a classic mountain climate. Summers from April to June are pleasant with temperatures ranging from 10 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius, perfect for trekking, fishing, and sightseeing. The monsoon months of July to September bring lush greenery, but landslides and slippery roads can be an issue. Autumn, from October to early November, offers clear skies and vibrant colors, making it ideal for photography and camping. Winters, from late November to March, transform the valley into a snow-covered paradise. Roads to places like Chanchal Pass are closed due to snow, but the valley itself remains accessible and incredibly beautiful. When planning your visit, pack layers, as temperatures can fluctuate quickly. Carry rain protection if traveling close to the monsoon season, and ensure you have sturdy shoes for trekking. Now, before we continue exploring more hidden corners and local secrets of this valley, take a moment to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It helps us bring you more incredible, offbeat travel destinations like this one from across India. Back in the valley, another unique experience awaits you in the remote village of Dodra Kuar. Until recently, this village was completely cut off from the rest of the world for nearly 6 months each year due to snowfall. It's one of the remotest and most beautiful regions in Himachal. The route to Dodra Kuar via Chanchal Pass is a thrilling drive, and the culture here remains deeply untouched. Local homestays in these villages offer traditional Himachali meals, warm wooden interiors, and conversations with hosts who share stories of snowbound winters and summer harvests. It's a slow, immersive way to travel, one that leaves a lasting memory. If you're looking to escape tourist crowds, walk through pristine mountain paths, hear the sound of a gurgling river, and experience Himachal in its most authentic form, Babbar Valley is the destination for you. It's not just a place. It's a peaceful, soul-refreshing experience, one that feels like stepping back in time, where mountains still speak and silence still heals.